YouTube, what's up? It's Marissa, and today we're going to be doing a DIY video. I picked up a regular black framed mirror, basic one, and I'm going to be giving it a glam makeover that's perfect for my beauty room. So if you want to see how it turns out and what I do, just keep watching and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so for this project, I am going to be using these gems. I got these from Walmart. I got these gems, they look like this. I got a bunch of rolls. I got 8 packs, so hopefully that's enough. And white paint to paint the frame white before gluing everything on, and then paintbrushes and sponges. So I'm starting out by painting the frame of my mirror all white. I'm just using craft acrylic paint that you can find literally anywhere. So I'm just using a paintbrush and painting the whole frame. Then I'm going in and wiping off any paint that got on the mirror. It comes off really easily, so you don't have to worry about getting paint on the mirror because it's really easy to get off. So the gems that I got came in like a string, so they're all connected, and so that made it a lot easier and faster to glue them on. So I'm just using my E6000 glue and putting a little dab of glue behind each of the gems before placing it on, just so it can get a better stick and won't fall off. And then I'm just repeating that process about 100 times until the whole frame is completely covered in gems. This definitely took a couple hours to do, and my back started hurting, and I did run out of glue, so I had to go back to Walmart and get some more glue. So this is me finishing the mirror the next day. I also got an extra pack of gems, so in total I used 9 packs to finish the whole mirror. So this is how the finished product turned out. I love how it looks. It's perfect for my beauty room. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I do have a few more videos planned for the very near future, so definitely stick around for those, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!